Here comes Juliet. Good girl. Oh, up you get. Come on. No, no crawling. Let's see you walking. You gotta slow down, sweetie. You're driving too fast. You're just a learner. Come on this way. You're very clumsy this morning. Hey, hey, Juliet. Look at Mummy. Where's Monkey? Where's Monkey? Look what Mummy has. Who's that? Who's that? Is that your monkey? Is that your monkey? Like monkey, yeah. This is your favorite toy. Kisses for Monkey. Good girl. Give Monkey kisses.